not glued shut, so don't feel free to just like pop it open.
You didn't saran wrap?
Oh, you guys are so sweet. Oh my. Oh, you guys.
Keep opening it.
Keep opening it. Oh, she's crying.
You guys are too sweet. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, I can't even right now. Oh, I could cry. This is so sweet, you guys. I don't know what to say.
Stop
Oh, I'm
flashing.
speechless. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Did you get it open?
Almost. I almost got it. Oh, you guys are the sweetest things ever. Oh, you guys are my Valentines. Okay. I almost got it. Oh my lord. I'm
Glue
so
it like
excited.
everywhere on the outside.
You guys are so sweet. I'm probably being so obnoxious to my roommates, but I don't care. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys! You guys are
With
so
the
sweet.
note from the street.
I'm sending my heart of love your way with hopes that it stays
Did you put
with
mine
you
in?
each and every day. Happy Valentine's Day with much love. Oh my gosh! I can't even. Oh my gosh, you guys are so sweet. Oh,
Katie,
I don't know what to say.
did you read the note card in there?
No, it's a bubble now too.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Katie, open the bubbles.
Oh, your name's on it?
Open them. Lift them open.
Wait. Oh, this right here?
All of them.
Oh my gosh. What did I ever do to deserve you? Sisters like you, seriously.
This is
I don't know what I did to deserve this,
think
but
she
thank
thinks I'm
you. Oh my
recording.
god. It was so unexpected. I seriously wasn't expecting this at all.
Jenny didn't even.
Oh, shoot. You don't have to rip it off.
Katie!
Just fold it.
Katie, just pull the bubble out.
That one's a real one. That one's
hello.
Mrs. Reed.
Oh my gosh, Mrs. Reed!
Yeah.
Do you want me to read it now?
Yeah, if you want to, read it out loud.
You don't have to read it out loud if you don't want.
Oh.
Yeah, hurts
Oh
some
my
like
God.
trying to get that to fold into a bubble.
That's so sweet.
She
If
like
I read them out loud, I'll just cry more, so I
She-
don't know what to say. You guys are so sweet.
I feel like this
Oh
should be
my
a commercial.
gosh.
Like one of those cheesy commercials.
Mhm.
You guys. Oh.
There's so many things to open, Katie. Like everything opens. Read mine.
Oh, I'm reading Sean Hans right now.
Sean Hahn sent one?
Wait, did you guys like ask people to put stuff in it, or was it like?
Yeah. We asked people to like write us messages and then we wrote them on pieces of paper and made little bubbles.
Oh. Because here's one from Sean Hahn, and here's Ben O'War.
Mhm.
Yeah, all those messages are from people, but they're like handwritten by Jenny and I, mostly Jenny.
Because Becca gave up.
What is this? Call me 937-304-7234. Who is that?
Guess who wants to call?
And figure it out!
They put what? They put. Is this a joke?
Oh, my God.
You have to call it!
Call
No,
it.
seriously.
Katie, move on. Move on.
Seriously?
Hung up on the lips.
Call me Bod. Is that what it says?
I have no clue.
Seriously.
Seriously.
Oh my
Why
god.
would you write that?
Because I could.
Oh. There's Natasha Brewer. Oh my god, you guys, you did not have to do this for me. Oh, I'm speechless. You tickled my peach. Oh. god, I don't know what to say. Okay, Karen, did you do the cat?
Yes.
Did you do the cat, Karen?
Yes, I did. I drew
It's
it.
Olaf.
She didn't recognize it. I also drew the snowman Olaf.
I'm literally so speechless right now.
Hey, Katie, can we see the cat?
Yeah. Wait.
There we go. I colored that whole entire. Jenny, you ruined my coloring.
Wait, where?
Right there.
I glued the
Did you guys
cards
get it?
together.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, this is so sweet.
Do you see the snowman?
And then, oh, there's little googly eyes here.
Mm-hmm. And
Katie, can you show us the card, the like side of the card with everything on it?
Oh, the side of it? With this?
no,
No.
the inside.
The inside with the cat and like everything and like the
Yeah, the buttons.
Back up.
Back
Try
up.
backing up.
buttons.
Go back to like your bed.
Hold it.
This is so
It's such
sweet,
a
you
big
guys.
card.
It's like, I'm seriously speechless.
Okay,
Okay, hold it up more.
let us see your face.
Oh, she didn't open up the heart yet. Put.
It's okay. The heart says the chair in it, which is weird.
There's Katie. You are so cute.
Okay.
You are so cute.
I love you guys so much. Thank you.
Okay, keep looking at it.
This is a 7-minute video.
Wait, oh, did you guys already get a picture of it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
I don't think she realizes I'm still
You
recording.
guys are sweet. Oh my god.
Wait.
I'm
Okay,
being
there we go.
so
Now she
obnoxious,
can
but I'm
see
just-
us.
Oh my god, I don't know what to say to you guys. I'm so. Oh.
Open the bit. Open the heart.
Okay. Oh, you guys. I'm seriously bawling. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but. Oh. This is so cute. How much? You guys must have spent so much time on this. This is way too sweet. Like, you guys did not have to go through all of this for me. You really
Oh.
did not. That's so sweet. Wait.
Aww.
Oh my gosh. I colored those, and that's white out written right there.
Oh,
I'm tipping. Ah!
Becca, stop recording.
Did you guys get it?
What?
Did you guys want a picture?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, say bye, Katie.
We're not actually hanging up.
Katie, say bye to the video.
No, no.
We're not hanging
on your
up.
camera.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I love you all.